Hi, David Dolan here from Ireland. We're currently milking 110 cows on a 50-hectare milking platform. Our cows are currently grazing on grass clover swards. The idea of the grass clover sward is the red and white clover fixes nitrogen in order to grow the feed for the cows, and so reducing our need, or almost eliminating our need for chemical nitrogen being applied to the farm. So at the moment 25% of the farm is in grass clover, and we're hoping to get that up to 80-90% in the next couple of years. Some other sustainability practices we're putting in place. The main one would be organic nitrogen, when it's been, or slurry in other words, been applied to the soils. We use a dribble bar in order to place the slurry directly on the ground and eliminate the emissions. Other practices would be rainwater harvesting. We're breeding for more breeding cows to produce less methane, and also that there's plans in place to put in some solar panels on our roofs.